Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover how to set up and manage a content creation calendar in teamwork.com, providing you with a full 2025 guide to this vital tool. First up, let's log into teamwork.com. This is where the magic happens. It's your central hub for managing all your content creation needs. By logging in, you get access to a wealth of features that help streamline your content creation process. Now that we've logged in, let's head over to the Projects tab and create a new project specifically for your content creation. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place, making it easier for you and your team to manage and keep track of your content. Next up, it's time to set up your calendar within this project. Click on the Calendar tab and start adding your content tasks. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of our content strategy, helping to keep us on track and meet our deadlines. Now, let's add some tasks to the calendar. Go to Add Task, input your content creation activities, and assign them to the relevant dates on your calendar. This step is crucial as it helps us break down the content creation process into manageable tasks, helping to prevent overwhelm and keep your content creation on schedule. Finally, ensure that you regularly check and update your calendar. This is vital because it allows you to track progress, make adjustments, and ensure everything is running smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have your content creation calendar set up and running efficiently in teamwork.com. Remember, consistency and regular updates are key. This concludes our brief guide to setting up and managing a content creation calendar in teamwork.com. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy project managing.